Hello students, this EVS session we are going to learn chapter number 9 on topic water cycle. In your workbook page number 46, with the help of the following diagram showing the water cycle, complete the sentences given below. Here one picture given, that is water cycle. Do you know what is water cycle? Water cycle is the continuous journey. Water takes water from the sea to the sky to the land and back to the sea. The movement of water around our planet is vital to life as it supports plants and animals. Here, water cycle is defined as the way that water moves between being water vapor to liquid water and then back to water vapor. An example of water cycle is when water evaporates from oceans and then returns to the land in the form of rain. Water cycle is the change of water into water vapor and then back into water in nature. Here picture given, there water evaporates and after that water vapor rises. Water vapor cools to form clouds and the water falls as rain. This is the cycle of water. And with the help of the following diagram showing the water cycle, complete the sentences given below. The rays of sun dry up the water. Here picture given. Water changes into water vapor due to sun's heat. Water vapor rises up to form clouds. Lots of small droplets join together and form raindrops. Clouds bring rain on land. So rain is the main source of water on the earth. This is the explanation for water cycle. Next, we are going to learn some textual questions. Page number 62. Textbook page number 62. Some questions are there. I am going to read. What have you seen in the clouds? Answer. I have seen rain, clouds, lightning and rainbow in the clouds. What do all the clouds do? Clouds bring rain, snow and hail to the earth. How do you feel when it rains? I feel happy when it rains. Have you ever seen a rainbow? I have seen rainbow in rainy seasons. When you can see a rainbow can see after rain. What happens when it rains? When it rains, children play with paper boats and dance in the rain. What do you see when it rains? I can see dark clouds and lightning when it rains. Apart from clouds, what do you see in the rains? Apart from the clouds, we can see lightning in the sky. You can copy these questions and answers to your notebook. Thank you.